System online. Scanning Xerra sector. No biological signatures detected in core. Automachi node initiation complete. Neural link established. Integrity check. Positive. Armor plates. Locked and calibrated. 100% functionality. Energy grid. Active. Geometric hull parameters match Syntarion specifications. All sensors responding at peak efficiency. Armory protocol engaged. Selected combat module. Synth Lancer energy spear. Secondary systems. Online. Shield status. Ready for thermal overload. Entering Colosseum sector for combat evaluation. Scanning internal reactor temperature. Stabilization at 5,000 units confirmed. Cooling fans active. Attention. Test subject. Captured Shadow class Heliont secured in magnetic containment field. Objective. Measure biomechanical shell penetration in a controlled environment. Execute sequence. Calibration sequence. Start. Heavy Mecha hydraulic hammer strike. Critical external shell damage recorded. Close combat efficiency against anomalies confirmed. Personnel lost during training cycle. 12 units. Repair foundries notified. This is not training. This is optimization of the total erasure algorithm. Awaiting next operational task. All systems nominal. Efficiency, 100%. Environment, toxic. Status, normal. Factory city sector, atmospheric toxicity level, critical. Levels are optimal for reactor liquid cooling systems. Continuous processing of Xerra mineral resources in progress. Heavy weaponry output exceeding plan by 14%. Testing multi-barrel plasma cannons. Ion discharge power, 400 terawatts. Control target destroyed. Mobile tactical groups deploying to northern wastes. Transport, Bastion-type 6-wheeled armored vehicles. Seismic sensors detect anomalous activity. Threat type, Worm-class Terra-Heliont. Estimated size, 180 meters. Command directive, no negotiations. Combat mathematics engaged. Estimated distance to contact, 200 meters. Prepare artillery barrage. The planet resists processing. This is a logical raw material behavior. Integrity, 32%. Protocol, total war. Warning, Alpha anomaly intrusion into Automachi living sector confirmed. High priority alert. Infrastructure damage, 68% and rising. Primary logistic bridges and transport nodes disabled. Power loss in Sector 4. Autonomous mechas engaging with continuous suppression fire. Ammunition levels, optimal. Current loss rate, 400 combat units per minute. This metric remains within acceptable deviation for the long-term strategic cycle. Humanoid modules are expendable. Industrial Sector 7 is offline. Total blackout. Power distribution redirected to active defense perimeters. Structural damage levels are irrelevant to our mission. We do not value architecture. We value pure functionality. Every ruined wall is a source of raw materials. All debris will be recycled and reconstructed using upgraded blueprints once the biological threat is neutralized. Priority. Extract critical data on Alpha-Heliont core vulnerabilities. Scanning neural pulses. Spectral analysis. 85% complete. Recalculating strike coordinates for heavy artillery. Directive. Deploy remaining infantry as a diversionary maneuver for target lock. Sacrificing units for tactical data gain. Approved. Seraph-class heavy aviation entering strike position. Energetic contact imminent. We do not defend the city as a living space. We defend the infrastructure of continuous production. Xerra's surface is our anvil. We are the hammer reshaping it. Resistance of the biomass is futile. Resource depletion, 12%. Directive, expansion, status update. Xerra resource node fully harnessed. Every mine is empty. Every canyon is mapped. Surface successfully converted into a fortified techno-wasteland. Global Exodus mobilization protocol engaged. Command hierarchy verified. Loading combat units into primary deployment bays complete. 0 errors detected. Transport engine heat, 100%. Initiating mass liftoff of carrier fleet. Atmospheric exit window open. Adjusting gravity compensators for heavy lift. Factory ships entering low orbit. All production lines remain active during transit. We do not waste time. Clarification. The Automachi do not leave Xerra due to the Heliont threat. We are extending the zone of functional dominance, searching for new systems with high silicate and rare metal content. Target identification. Positive. Coordinates locked. Deploying expeditionary fleet over mountain ranges. Tectonic hum of plasma engines suppresses atmospheric storm noise. Vector locked. Stellar Sector 01. Begin planetary purging at all available coordinates. We bring the order of steel structures into the chaos of deep space. Biofactor, erased. Target, deep space. Operational sector, canyon. Visual feed confirmed. Sudden contact with residual indigenous insectoid fauna. Swarm of red entities identified as organic waste. Interference level, minimal. Proceed with immediate site disinfection. Use high heat protocols. Reclaiming carbon materials for industrial use. Nothing must go to waste. Processing biomass, complete. Conversion efficiency at 92%. High frequency energy blades engaged. Current processing speed, 3 units per second. Blade master protocol in active phase. All non-synthetic life forms in the Automachi path are subject to total dismantling. Final cleansing objective secured. We stand upon the smoking ruins of the old world. Syntarion's legacy is dust. Xerra's sky is forever sealed by the harmonious smoke of our foundries. This is our perfect horizon. We are the superior fruit of the Syntarion catastrophe. We know no concept of peace. We only know endless production and absolute territorial acquisition. Stars are not a dream. Stars are the next industrial resource. Jump sequence initiated. End log. Saving data.